Hey, it's Andreas, and it's time to talk about Porch Group. Now, thank you very much to Chun Tzu for suggesting this in the comments. Some interesting companies out there. I decided to take a look at Porch here, as I thought that was the most interesting one in the bunch that was suggested. All right, so what is the first thing that I almost always do when I look at the stock, a new one? Well, I take a look at insider activity to see if there's anything going on there. And in this case, we see that the Matt Ehrlichman, founder, chairman, and CEO of Porch Group, made a large purchase here of 273,000 shares in the open market here, and that he has a large holding here. This is a owner operator with 17% of the total amount of outstanding shares held by this insider. He clearly believes in his company despite this stock having been punished in the open market, down 77% from the 52 weeks high. And in terms of revenue, this is not the same company as it was 52 weeks ago. We can see a dip in revenue here. This is in thousands of US dollars, dipped in the pandemic year, but then a roaring comeback. And if we take a look at the type of business that they do, this is very reasonable. And the reason for this dip in revenue is that they get the majority of their revenue from generating leads, contact information between contractors and private persons in their software. And we can see this great expansion here and this network effect that is being built up. So as they get more and more people connected to their software, using their software to find contractors and connecting customers and contractors, I can only see this revenue continue to grow, and the acquisition part is the most expensive part. That's what gets me so hyped about this company, because once they have this big network in place, they've done all this expensive part, then I believe that profitability will come, because right now this company is still losing money. It's a very small cap company, as you will see. All right, so I found some yearly forecasts from different analysts, and we can see that this company is forecasted to lose money continuously here in the coming years. And the only rule of business is don't run out of money. But in 2025, we have one estimate here of earnings per share forecast of 26 cents per share. And what does this mean in terms of profitability for this company? Well, I took a look at the amount of shares outstanding, and they have 99.14 million shares outstanding. Large part of that is held by institutions and insiders. But if we multiply the total amount of outstanding shares with this estimates, we find that there's potential for earnings here of 25 million. And if we take a look at the market cap here, it's trading today at this valuation of 441 million. So it's a small cap company. No price to earnings is available, as they're losing money. So we can't do this type of calculation. We can only use forecasted numbers. And in terms of market cap, would a company earning 25 million be trading at a market cap of 441 million? No, that's not a valuation that's remotely fair in the market. If they have this type of profitability, if they're able to grow this network of customers and contractors, well, then they will be trading a lot higher. And if we take a look at insiders, they sure seem to believe in this company and is buying up more ownership at this low cost that is right now. That's what gets me interested in this company. That makes me believe that this is a small cap, guys. Remember, it's a small cap. Potential for big gains and big losses. But if insiders believe, well, then I'm more inclined to believe myself. All right, that's been it for this presentation. And whatever investments you do, I hope you make a ton of money. Take care now. Bye bye.